Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So, children, as you all know, that this is our online English literature class, and we are doing lesson number 7, that is Sona's Adventure. So, children, I hope you all have completed your last work which I gave you, that was word meanings and fill in the blanks, which I gave you last week to complete in your notebooks. And I hope you all have done, but still those who have not done, please do it as soon as possible in your notebooks and get your copies corrected also. Okay, now today we will be doing our next exercise, that is part D, true and false, and part E, that is who said the following. Okay, so before starting this, I would like to give you a small recap of the story so that you will all remember the answers also. Okay, so please listen to my video very carefully. This story was about a mother camel and her daughter whose name was Sona. You all remember there were two camels, one was mother camel and other was her daughter, and daughter's name was Sona. So they were walking all around the desert, and what happened, suddenly Sona felt thirsty. Sona को बहुत तेज प्यास लगी. So she asked her mother for water, and her mother told her that in the desert where there are trees, water will be available there only. उसकी मम्मा ने क्या बोला कि जहाँ पे यहाँ डेजर्ट में जहाँ पेड़ होंगे वहीं पे आपको पानी मिलेगा. So when they saw a pool, they went there to drink water. They saw a pool near some trees, so they went there to drink the water. They both were drinking water, and they both drank a lot of water. Okay, and who was seeing all that? While they were drinking water, who was seeing? A crow who was sitting on the tree. He was sitting there and he was seeing them, and when they drank the water, the crow asked the mother camel, that why you drank so much of water? आपने इतना सारा पानी पी लिया, ऐसा लगा जैसे आप पूरा पूल का पानी ख़त्म कर दोगे. So what did mother camel reply? She said that we drink a lot of water to store the water, as we store the water, because in the desert there is a lot of problem of water is not available, so they drink water, they drink plenty of water and they store it. Okay, so the mother camel, after telling the crow about all this, the mother camel sat under the tree and she sat there for rest. As she was tired, so she sat there for rest. Then Sona, the who was the daughter of mother camel, Sona went to see the other places also. So when she was walking around the desert to see the new places, some animals in the desert started laughing at her. They were laughing at her because of her looks. They thought that how ugly she was looking, why there is a hump on her back, and why the legs are so lengthy, why are they so big. Okay, so they were all making fun of her. So she was very hurt and she started crying. She went to her mother and she told her everything. But what happened? Her mother told her that they were laughing at you because they don't know about the speciality. They don't know about what is special about us. Then she explained that camels have a speciality, that because they have a hump, so that this hump helps them to not feel hungry. Okay, hump किस लिए होता है camels के ऊपर? जिससे कि उनको ज़्यादा भूख ना लगे, उनको भूख ना लगे, और जो उनका पानी स्टोर होता है, जो पानी वो बहुत सारा पीते हैं, वो उसमें स्टोर होता है, जिससे कि उनको प्यास जब लगे तो वो उसी से अपना काम चलाएं डेजर्ट में. ओके, एंड लेग्स आर सो बिग बिकॉज दे आर फ्लैट, एंड बिग बिकॉज they help them to walk on the डेजर्ट एरिया, बिकॉज डेजर्ट एरिया इज़ ऑल कवर्ड विथ सैंड, और अगर उनके पैर ऐसे नहीं होंगे तो वो सैंड में सिंक कर जाएंगे, इसलिए दे हैव such kind of legs. So after listening to all this, Sona was very happy. Okay, then one day there was a goat whose name was Billy. Billy goat was one day Billy goat was wanting to eat the fruits from the fig tree, and when the Billy goat saw that Sona was eating the fruits very easily, because Sona was tall, as you all know that camels are very tall, so Sona was eating the fruits very happily. So looking at her, Billy the goat he climbed on the tree and he wanted to pick the fruits. So he stretched himself. उसने अपने आप को बिल्कुल उसमें झुका लिया था, जिससे कि उसको फ्रूट्स मिल सके. Then what happened? When Billy goat stretched himself for the fruits, he fell down in the pool. There was a pool there and he fell down in the pool, and what happened? He started sinking and he shouted for help. वो अंदर डूबने लगा पानी में और उसने हेल्प के लिए चिल्लाने लगा, बचाने के लिए. So his friends were standing there, but they couldn't help him because they were very small and they could not go to the pool. As अगर वो पूल में जाते तो वो भी डूब जाते, इसलिए वो लोग भी नहीं गए. So who saved Billy goat's life? Sona went there. Okay, Sona saw that Billy goat was sinking, so she went into the pool and उसने अपने ऊपर अपनी पीठ पर बिली गोट को बैठा लिया और उसको बाहर तक छोड़ के पूल के बाहर तक छोड़ा. ओके, सो आफ्टर दैट बिली गोट felt sorry that we laughed at you and you were so helpful. Okay, and then Billy goat asked her to become his good friend and to play with him. Okay, so from that day they became very good friends and they started playing with each other. So I hope you all understood the story. So now starting with our D part, that is true or false. So the first true or false is Sona was feeling thirsty. सोना को बहुत तेज प्यास लगी थी. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. TRUE, true. Then the second question is Sona felt happy when the animals laughed at her looks. सोना को बहुत अच्छा लगा था जब उसके ऊपर एनिमल्स हंस रहे थे उसके लुक्स के ऊपर. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false. FALSE, false. Third question. Billy goat climbed the tree. True. TRUE, true. Billy goat tree के ऊपर चढ़ा था. Fourth question. Billy's friends saved Billy from sinking. बिली के फ्रेंड्स जो थे उन्होंने बिली को डूबने से बचाया था. No. False. Answer is false. FALSE, false. किसने बचाया था बिली को? सोना कैमल ने. Okay. Again I am repeating the true false sentences. Okay, first of all what you will do, you will write down the date in your notebooks on a fresh page. Then you will write down the heading of your chapter, that is lesson 7, Sona's adventure, and then in the next line you will write true or false. Part D, true or false. Okay, first one is Sona was feeling thirsty. True. Sona felt happy when the animals laughed at her looks. False. Billy goat climbed the tree. True. Billy's friends saved Billy from sinking. False. Now, after true and false, we will do who said the following. Now, coming to E part, that is who said the following. So, the first sentence is, you will read the sentence and you will answer that who said this line. Okay, in the story, who said this line? Okay, you have to write that. So, first sentence is, you drink more than any other animal. So, क्या बोला था ये कि आप और एनिमल से ज़्यादा पानी पीते हो. तो ये किसने बोला था? द क्रो, who was sitting on the tree. So, you drink more than any other animal was said by the crow. Okay, now the second sentence, what's that big hump on your back? ये आपके बैक पे एक बड़ा सा हम्प क्यों है? So, ये who said this sentence? Monkey. Okay, now the third sentence, they laughed at you because they don't know how special we are. वो आपके ऊपर इसलिए हंसते हैं because they don't know, उनको नहीं पता है कि आप कितने स्पेशल हो. So, who said this sentence? Mother Camel. Mother Camel said this sentence to her daughter Sona. Okay, so the answer is Mother Camel. Now the fourth sentence, that is the last sentence, I'll get some for us, I can climb anything. I'll get some for us means, ये किसने बोला था? जब सोना कैमल जो है वो फ्रूट्स उसमें फिग ट्री में से फ्रूट्स निकाल के खा रही थी. ओके, सो बिली गोट सेड दिस कि I'll get some for us, I can climb anything. Okay, now again I am repeating the sentences with the answers. Listen to it very carefully, and in the same manner as I have written on the board, you have to write in your notebooks. Okay, after completing your true and false, you will again turn a new page, and then again you will write down today's date, that is 7/9/2020, and then you will write the heading Sona's Adventure lesson 7. Then you will, in the second line, you will give the subheading, that is who said the following. Then first sentence, you drink more than any other animal. The crow said this. What's that big hump on your back? Monkey. They laughed at you because they don't know how special we are. Who said this sentence? Mother Camel. Fourth sentence, I'll get some for us, I can climb anything. This was said by Billy Goat. Now I hope all these two exercises are clear to you all. If there is any problem in any exercise, then you can message me in the comment box. Okay, but please children, it's a request that complete your work on time and get your copies corrected from me. Okay, and the school timings are from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. You can come between this time, you can come from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. anytime, and then get your copies corrected from Monday to Saturday. Now Saturday also school is open because lockdown has been finished for Saturday. So you can come from Monday to Saturday, any day you can come and you can get your copies corrected. I hope you all have understood this and you will complete all your work. And children, please complete your work in a very beautiful handwriting. Your writing should be very neat and clean. There should be no mistakes. Okay, and please start learning also. Okay children, tomorrow I will give you another exercise that will be of question answers and make sentences. Till then, please complete your work, today's work. Okay children, and start learning also. Till my next video, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.